Hey everyone! We're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. 15 awesome gadgets on Amazon you can buy. Nail gun. This concrete nail gun is a versatile tool designed for ease and power. It comes with a complete set including 50 round nails, safety gear, and cleaning tools, ensuring you have everything you need. With its 5-speed adjustable power, you can tailor the force to your project, whether you're working with soft or high-hardness surfaces. Its lightweight and manual operation make it user-friendly, and the built-in silencer keeps noise to a minimum, making it perfect for indoor use without disturbing others. This nail gun is ideal for projects like installing cameras, electric boxes, air conditioners, and more, with its high-strength firing pin providing superior penetration. Overall, it's a powerful, well-equipped tool that balances functionality and user comfort. WorkPro Wire Stripper. The WorkPro 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper is a reliable, multifunctional tool perfect for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. This 3-in-1 tool handles stripping, cutting, and crimping with a self-adjusting mechanism for precise results. It's suitable for copper and aluminum cables from 10 to 24 AIDG, making it ideal for various wire sizes. The induction-hardened cutting edge stays sharp, while the pliers-style nose allows for pulling and looping wires effortlessly. Built with high-quality steel, this wire stripper is durable enough to handle tough tasks. Whether you're working on industrial or home projects, this tool's efficiency and reliability make it a must-have in any toolbox. Wheel marking gauge. The wheel marking gauge is an essential tool for woodworkers seeking precision in marking and cutting. Its dual-purpose design with a stainless steel roller ensures smooth, accurate lines, whether you're marking straight lines or arcs. The anti-roll design prevents it from rolling off your workbench, and its durable aluminum alloy construction offers lasting strength. This versatile tool works on various materials, including wood, acrylic, ceramic, and glass, making it suitable for multiple applications. The universal pen holder accommodates different writing tools, and the clearly visible scale allows for fast, accurate measurement. A great tool for any workshop, it ensures precision in every cut. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The HOAD Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a professional-grade tool designed for fast, accurate wood joinery. Its durable all-metal construction, combined with hardened steel drilling sleeves, ensures precise and consistent results. Whether you're a novice or pro, the easy adjustment feature, marked in both imperial and metric, allows for quick setup and flawless pocket holes. The kit includes multiple drill bits and accessories, making it versatile for various project needs, from cabinetry to furniture assembly. With no need for complex measuring, this jig speeds up the assembly process, delivering professional results every time. It's a game changer for woodworking projects, offering durability, accuracy, and ease of use. Kreg AccuCut Circular Saw Track. The Kreg KMA 2700 AccuCut Circular Saw Track transforms your circular saw into a precision cutting tool. With this track, making straight, rip, cross, and angled cuts becomes incredibly easy. The universal sled is compatible with both right and left-handed saws, offering flexibility for any user. What's really handy is its portability. Take it wherever you need to, ensuring splinter-free cuts anywhere. Its starting block and anti-slip guide strips ensure smooth, precise results every time. This track is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their woodworking game, making it simple to achieve professional results without complex setups. Kreg Clamps. Kreg Clamps are an essential tool for creating strong, flush joints in woodworking projects. With a 3-inch reach, this face clamp is perfect for securing materials while drilling pocket holes or assembling projects. It's designed for versatility, with padded handles and an ergonomic grip to make long sessions comfortable. The screw adjusts to match the thickness of the material, ensuring a tight, secure hold. Whether you're working on cabinets, furniture, or other woodworking projects, this clamp makes achieving professional results easy and efficient. Durable and reliable, Kreg Clamps help you bring your woodworking ideas to life with precision. WETOLS Corner Clamp. The WETOLS Corner Clamp is a robust and reliable tool for woodworking, ensuring stability while allowing for precise assembly. Constructed from abrasion-resistant aluminum die-casting alloy, this clamp is built for durability and long-term use. Its clamping range can accommodate various materials, including metal tubes, steel rods, and wood blocks, up to 2.76 inches in thickness. The swing jaw design allows for two-way rotation, providing a precise and convenient grip on workpieces. Its ergonomic anti-skid handle ensures comfort during use, making it a great tool for professionals and dyer alike. Perfect for welding, framing, or furniture assembly, this clamp is a versatile addition to any toolbox. DEWALT Toolbox. The DEWALT Toolbox offers a flexible and durable storage solution for professionals and dyer. With its stackable design, you can combine multiple units to create the perfect storage setup for your needs. The durable side latches ensure that the units stay securely attached. This toolbox also features a built-in bi-material handle for easy, stable portability. allowing you to transport your tools with ease. The extra-large volume provides ample space for storing high-demand tools, and the removable tray ensures quick access to your most used items. Designed for convenience and durability, the DEWALT toolbox is a solid choice for efficient tool organization. Cordless brad nailer. The cordless brad nailer brings convenience and efficiency to your projects by eliminating the need for compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges. It drives adhesive collated 18GA finish nails with consistent power, regardless of climate or material conditions. With tool-free depth settings and jam release, setup and maintenance are quick and hassle-free. This lightweight design ensures balance and comfort in your hand, allowing for longer use without strain. The contoured, overmolded handle provides added comfort during extended projects, and the built-in belt hook offers easy access and storage. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this nailer is a versatile tool that enhances productivity. DEKOPRO Hand Tool Kit. The DEKOPRO Hand Tool Kit is a comprehensive solution for all your home repair and DIY needs. Forged from high-quality steel and finished with high-polished chrome, these tools are built to last with strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. The set includes everything from wrenches and ratchets to pliers, hammers, and precision screwdrivers, perfect for handymen, mechanics, or anyone working on small repairs. The 72-tooth ratchet allows for easy directional changes, while the soft grip handles provide comfort and control. Housed in a sturdy blow-molded case, it's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for both home and professional use. With a sleek design and reliable construction, this kit is a must-have. LEXIVON Aluminum Miter Saw Protractor. The LEXIVON Aluminum Miter Saw Protractor is a precision tool that takes the guesswork out of complex cuts. Made from CNC-machined anodized aluminum alloy, this protractor offers durability and accuracy. The precision laser-engraved scales ensure that you can easily transfer your work angle directly to your miter saw for perfect miter and single cuts. Its Teflon O-ring mechanism allows smooth swiveling for accurate measurements on inside and outside corners. Ideal for crown molding, trim work, and plumbing, this tool is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a 1/4-inch thick aluminum construction, it won't bend or wear like plastic alternatives. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it guarantees performance. WORX Zip Snip Electric Scissors. The WORX Zip Snip electric scissors are a game changer for cutting through tough materials like fabric, cardboard, and even carpet. These cordless electric scissors are designed for efficiency and ease, with an automatic sharpening system, ensuring the blades stay sharp for smooth cuts. Powered by a 4-volt max lithium battery, the Zip Snip holds a charge for months, so it's always ready when you need it. For added safety, both the trigger and lockout switch must be pressed to operate the tool. Weighing just 1 pound, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for long-term use without fatigue. With a battery indicator and included charger, this tool is both practical and reliable for any DIY project. Hongan Appliance Moving Tools. The Hongan Appliance Moving Tools make furniture moving effortless and safe, thanks to its complete set including 4 furniture dollies, a lifter, and heightening spacers. Designed to handle up to 2,800 pounds, the durable 5-wheel system with non-slip pads ensures smooth and easy movement across any hard floor surface. This versatile tool is perfect for home renovations or deep cleaning, allowing you to move heavy items without damage to your floors. The black rubber wheels provide excellent cushioning, while the upgraded sliders offer superior load-bearing capacity. Whether moving furniture or appliances, Hongan makes the process stress-free, offering reliable quality and a satisfaction guarantee for peace of mind. Bosch VISIMAX Self-Leveling Crossline Laser. The Bosch VISIMAX Self-Leveling Crossline Laser is an essential tool for precise alignment and leveling. Equipped with vertical, horizontal, and crossline modes, this laser provides outstanding visibility with its VISIMAX technology, ensuring clear lines up to 50 feet. The smart pendulum system self-levels and alerts you when out of level, ensuring accurate results every time. Designed for durability, it's IP55 rated to withstand tough job site conditions like rain and dust. The compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and the built-in positioning device offers quick setup. Powered by AA batteries or Bosch's rechargeable battery, sold separately, this laser is a versatile and reliable choice for any professional. Electric pruning shears. These electric pruning shears are a gardener's dream, cutting branches up to 1.57 inches thick with ease. Powered by a brushless motor and SK5 high-carbon steel blade, this tool ensures flat and fast pruning, promoting healthier plants. With 2 rechargeable 21-volt batteries, you can work for up to 8 hours on a single charge, pruning over 1,000 branches. Lightweight at less than 2 pounds, it's perfect for both men and women, eliminating the need for heavy chainsaws or manual loppers. Safety features include a double trigger system to minimize accidents and adjustable blade openings. Ideal for orchards, gardens, and farms, this tool will revolutionize your pruning routine. These 15 Amazon gadgets are more than just tools. They are game changers for anyone who loves DIY, home improvement, or working with their hands. Whether you're looking for precision, power, or versatility, these gadgets are designed to enhance your efficiency and make challenging tasks easier. With the right tools in your kit, your projects will be faster, simpler, and more fun to complete. Ready to take your DIY game to the next level? Check out the links in our review to explore these incredible Amazon gadgets and start upgrading your toolbox today.